Hey, good morning, everyone. So you are riding with Kenny. So a couple things I want to cover here, and in our industry, it's kind of weird. I'm sure other industries are the same, but in our industry especially, you have these very weird, super busy times, and then absolutely dead times where you can go from one day where you are going to burn the soles off your feet because you're off your shoes rather, because you're running back and forth because it's like nonstop work and you have no place to park cars, to another day where it's just crickets all day long and everybody's staring at one another like, what do we do next? You know, those days become, hey, let's clean the shop, stuff like that. Yesterday we had a day like that, and I volunteered to leave early because we get paid hourly. So I was like, you know what, Rob, instead of you paying me to stand here all day, like, I straightened out my toolbox. I actually cleaned the top of my toolbox off for the first time in 2 years, I think. And now you can actually see the top of my toolbox. But that's just how I've always been. I have a tendency to collect junk, and I never want to get rid of it because I'm under the impression that I might use it again one day for something, or hey, this particular little bracket's going to come in handy for something. And more times than not, it has happened. And then, of course, I'll throw out, like, I'll have stuff sitting for years and I'll throw it out and I'll be like, next day, like, man, I could have used that, but it's gone now, That happens all the time. But yeah, it's so weird how in this industry, in this business, we get like that. Like I said, I'm pretty confident other businesses have the same thing. It's just I'm not familiar with other industry other than automotive repair and body work. And it's bizarre. And usually every 4 years, there's an event that happens every 4 years here in the United States. And every time that that's come up in the 40 plus years that I've been in business, or in the business, every 4 years when this event happens and you're unsure of what's going to be the outcome, there tends to be a humongous slowdown. But the weird thing is, this year, we didn't have that slowdown. This year, we actually stayed busy. But the funny thing is, around us, all the other shops were dead. They had nothing going on. Our shop was busy, but we were doing a lot of transmission work. And I'm assuming it's because, hey, if the transmission fails, you kind of have to fix it. Like, you're not going to, put that off unless you have another vehicle, but most people rely on their one single vehicle or two, and then they kind of make do with one for a period of time, but they have to fix it. So maybe that's why we stayed busy. But if people know that they can go 3,000 to 6,000 miles on their brakes, they're going to put them off. If they need a tune-up, they're going to put it off. Unfortunately, people put off oil changes, stuff like that. But that's a common thing that happens during that time frame. That happens every 4 years. You know what I'm talking about. But anyway, but yeah, for the last 2 days, starting Monday, we were dead, like nothing going on. So we got the shop nice and cleaned up, got my bench cleaned off, I got my tools organized. I went through my cabinet where I have all my boxed up tools, and I have a lot of tools for older things that I haven't touched in like forever. So I took some of that stuff home because I work on older stuff at home usually. So I figured it would just be good to have there. So anyway, so I just wanted to cover that. It's just odd. That's all. I just wanted to talk about that. The other thing too is, I guess, I'm assuming most of you noticed that I'm almost at the 200,000 subscriber mark, and I'm absolutely blown away by you guys who enjoy my stupid rants like this in the morning, my talks, my babblings, just the stuff that comes out of my mouth. You guys enjoy that. You enjoy watching me fix stuff. You enjoy the way I do things, because I probably do things a little bit differently than some other people do, and it's probably because I got ADHD and I was dropped on my head as a child, stuff like that. So I look at things a little bit differently, and I learned that a long time ago. Look at things from a different angle, and sometimes it'll really help you, and that's kind of what I try to do on a daily basis. So I appreciate all you guys who have been subscribing to me and whatnot. And also what comes along with a channel that becomes popular, and I've had this going on for a long time, but now it's just getting insane. And I have multiple email accounts for different reasons. And so what I've been getting lately is I get literally hundreds of emails a day from people that want to collaborate with me. And I don't want to collaborate with anybody. However, I always delete them. I always just delete them. But lately I've noticed I start getting a lot of people like, well, it's different stuff. They want to collaborate to help me make better videos. No, I don't want you. They want to collaborate for me to help me make better thumbnails. No, I don't want you. General stuff like that, how to manage my channel better. No, it's my channel. I'm gonna do it the way I do it, and that's how it's gonna be. I don't need your help. I get people, that contact me about, helping me with finances and stuff like that. No, I don't need that. I still have to have a full-time job. I mean, yes, I make money doing YouTube videos, but I still have to have a full-time job for now. So it's, it is what it is. But I turn all those people down. Some people want to send me products and they want to pay me to review them. No, I will not do that. However, what I have found is I've started getting some people, some different companies that want to send me their product. And for me I can use it as I wish. It's mine to keep. And if I do that, could I just give an honest review of the product? So I decided, because I always delete them, I've now decided, well, you know what? Because some of this stuff is actually pretty good stuff. And I'm not going to get into that in this video, but some of this stuff seems to be pretty good stuff. It's not an incredible amount. It's not like there would be like a daily basis of, making videos like that. But it's like they want me to use their product, just show it in the video. And I sat there and I thought, well, you know what? If I'm doing this on a car, that would come in handy. So why not show something like that? They're not paying me. They're just giving me the product. And so what I did last night is I actually came up with like a basic email saying, you know what? Yes, if you want to send me whatever this is, I will use it in a video, or I will show it in a video. And you know what? This all stems from that welder video, and it stems from me comparing my two of my scanners there. I have a bunch of scanners. And so this kind of stemmed from that, and I'll explain that in other videos as they come up. King Bolin is one of them. They actually reached out to me, and they sent me a eDiag Delete, it's called. It's just like a little pod that hooks to your phone, and I did make a video of that, which will be coming out soon. But they were the first people that I kind of said this to. I'll show it in a video, and I'm gonna give an honest review of it, because you're not paying me. Because if you pay me, that's gonna skew what I'm gonna. That's gonna skew me being honest about a product. So if they're gonna send me tools or whatever, then that's fantastic. If it's junk, I'm gonna tell you it's junk. If it's great, I'm gonna tell you it's great. Like I had bought that welder, that Best Arc welder, because it was inexpensive and I needed something for the house. They reached out to me. They wanted to know if they can use my video in their ads. So how cool is that? I think that's fantastic. So yeah, sure, go ahead. I didn't ask for payment. No, just do me a favor, just tag my channel. That's all I'm asking you to do. I don't want payment. It's not why I do this channel. I'm not doing it for stuff like that. But yeah, so I kind of wanted to share that with you. Just let you know things that are happening. I figured you guys are the reason I'm here now with the channel as popular as it's getting. So I wanted to fill you in, because you're the ones that make all of this possible. I just record myself being an idiot, and you guys like it. That's just me on a daily basis. I'm an idiot, and I've accepted that a long time ago. I'm a little different than a lot of people, and I know that. But anyway, so I'm sorry I'm going down the bumpy road, the one that was nice and smooth until they paved it, and now it's like going down a dirt road. But anyway, I just thought I'd share that with you. You know, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. But I figured, hey, what the heck? May as well take advantage of it, right? If they're giving away freebies, may as well take it. But I'm going to be honest with you. You know, when and if I use the product, and that's the other thing too. You know, I'll accept your product, but I'm not going to say that I'm going to make a dedicated video to it. That's not happening. You know, if you can let me sit on it for however long, and then I'll use it whenever the time comes that I need it, that's fine. You know, and I can't tell you. Could it be 1 week from now? Could it be a year from now? I don't know. But if that's what you want to do and you're okay with it, then fine, send it to me. Yeah, so anyway, just in the comments, just let me know what you think about that. I feel, like I said, I figured no harm, no foul. What the heck, right? When stuff is free, may as well take it, right? All right, guys. It's nothing spectacular. Trust me, it's not like I'm gonna get a $20,000 toolbox or anything like that. I'm talking like, you know, $200 to $300, you know, stuff here. Yeah, you actually usually it's probably like $40 stuff up to like $200 to $300 stuff. So anyway, that's about it. All right, guys. Hopefully you're getting something out of my videos. If you are, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right, have a great day. Keep wrenching.